Yeah, we are live here. Welcome back on a Tuesday evening. Welcome back on Empire Crypto TV, the fastest growing live stream. We are talking about the blockchain cryptocurrency market and how to really make it in this market. Welcome back. And of course, as you are coming through, do indicate where you are watching this live broadcast from. Mention your city, mention your area, mention your province. And of course, if you're outside South Africa, mention where you are watching this live broadcast from. If you are from Nigeria, from Kenya, from London, from America, do tell us where you're watching this live broadcast from. We are coming to your city very soon. Welcome back. And of course, do send us your area on the comment section. Send us some compliments, some comments. If you have got some questions, do make use of the comment section below. All right, my name is Elson Mabena, aka the Crypto King. I will be with you throughout the show here. And of course, we've got one of the best topics today. We are talking about crypto in business. And yes, as you are coming through, do invite your friends. Tell them we are live here. Tell everyone, tell your neighbors, tell your teams. Bring everyone on board. Bring on everyone on the show. You can't afford to learn alone. Tell everyone that we are live here. Tell everyone that we are live here. All right, share the live stream to everyone. And of course, today I'm not alone as usual. I'm with one of the best crypto led here, Crypto Cindy. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you, Crypto King?
I'm excellent. I'm super. I'm still smiling. The market is doing wonders at the moment.
Yes, we are all smiling. I'm sure even the viewers and other people who are involved in crypto are all smiling all the way.
Nice one, nice one, nice one, nice one. It's green all the way. To introduce, what are we talking about today?
Okay, so today we'll basically be talking about the rise in interest in crypto for businesses, and we'll also be talking about PayPal launching its cryptocurrency service.
Wow. Are we talking about PayPal? There was
Yes, we'll be
some
talking
breaking
about
news
PayPal.
this week. There was some breaking news, hot
Yes.
news about PayPal. I mean, those are positive injections into this space.
Exactly.
Yeah. This market is growing very fast.
Yes, so we're talking about that today, and we'll also be doing a market analysis from yesterday. So we're doing a 24-hour analysis, unlike before when when we did only Tuesday and Friday. So now we're doing the analysis for every 24 hours. So we'll be giving fresh news.
Great stuff. Let's talk about what we let's revise what we spoke about yesterday. What was the topic yesterday and what did we talk about?
Okay, so basically, yesterday we were just talking about block streams and what they were. We're just basically talking about the effects of crypto in Blockstream and what challenges Bitcoin previously had. Yeah, so that's basically it about yesterday. So today we are more engaging and we're talking about introducing new businesses onto crypto, why businesses are interested in crypto, and what does it mean for the whole market, and what does it mean for us as crypto holders and traders.
All right, Gustav, what an interesting topic that we're going to discuss today, that we're going to be crushing today. Yes, Empire Film, do make use of our comment section, indicate where you are watching this live broadcast from, mention your city, mention your area, mention your country, let's know where you are coming from so that when we drop at your city, we'll remember you, we'll come and say holla at you. All right, and of course, as usual, make use of the comment section. Do say something. If you've got some question that you need to be answered, do ask some questions on the comment section. We are here talking about blockchain solutions, cryptocurrencies, trading, and investing. This is your channel to learn all these strategies for free. We don't charge
Yes.
anything. You learn here for free. But of course, do remember to subscribe on our YouTube channel. Go to YouTube channel, subscribe to Empire Crypto TV for all these videos that you're watching here. You will find them on Empire Crypto TV YouTube channel. Right, Crypto Cindy. Right, let's
Yes.
get onto it. Why consider using crypto in the business space? What to say on that?
Okay. So firstly, let me just do a small intro onto the topic and then I'll answer the question. So basically, we've just seen that worldwide there has been an increase in companies having interest not only in Bitcoin but also other digital assets. They are hosting them, hosting for investments, for operational and also for transactional purposes. So to answer your question as to why are companies actually considering crypto, my answer would be currently we see that there's more than 2,300 businesses in the US which are accepting Bitcoin. This is just an estimate from last year. And this doesn't include the Bitcoin ATMs that we are mostly familiar with. So this is just trading in stores, and now we've actually seen that there's been so much interest because of the users. So remember, if many customers are inquiring about the same thing in the business starts taking notice. So nobody wants to have a business that people are not buying anymore there because you are not catching up with the times. So because of people being interested in the crypto market, this is the reason why also large businesses and we're seeing worldwide companies now having so much interest in the crypto space.
Okay, so does that mean companies are taking note because of the demand from their customers, from the consumers of certain businesses? That's why now they like, okay, wait a minute, let's look into this market. Let's look into this solution that is brought into the space technologically. Looking at in the past, we spoke about Massmart, looking at employing the expertise in the space so that they can
Yes.
actually roll out the crypto projects. And of course, there have been so many in the past,
Mm.
and seeing the retails also looking into the cryptos in terms of transactions. So,
Yeah.
what can crypto do for your company? I mean, for any company, what can crypto bring into a company? What solutions can crypto bring into a certain company?
Okay, so basically, mostly what crypto actually enhances in a company is because of the demographic groups. Remember, now if we're buying, it's usually we're buying with money and we're buying in a physical store. Yes, we do transactions online, but mostly with crypto, the reason for so much interest, especially in the business forms, is because of now I can send my bitcoins to wherever, and without any fear of my credit card or sending my details to anyone that I do not know. So it's actually just because of that. Now they can get a larger clientele, and with transparency in the transactions, now I can just pay with the Bitcoin, send them a tracing number, and they can get it on their side. I don't need to send my details. I don't need to send my ID. So this is the reason why.
Mm, okay. So eventually crypto is going to replace Visa, Mastercards, and all these other traditional means of transacting. Do you see crypto going that way?
I actually do see crypto going that way. I've seen also in doing some research that there is an estimate of about roughly in around 2030 or around 2035, crypto will be one thing that is everywhere and almost everyone will using crypto to trade. So I do see crypto as replacing our current currencies.
Sounds interesting. It sounds hopefully and futuristic. What are the two primary paths for using crypto?
Okay. So the first question to consider when asking whether a company must use crypto in its operation, the first thing is they need to know that are they taking these cryptos and holding them in their balance sheet, or are they simply adopting the crypto enabling payments? Now, each company will need to determine this before they undertake operations in the crypto space so that they know exactly what they're doing with their crypto. Are they taking your crypto and giving somebody as change, or are they taking your crypto, holding it as a business? So those are some factors that the company needs to establish first before accepting crypto. And they also need to consider, are there any benefits, the system requirements, because now they'll need to change their whole till systems and stuff. So they need to actually consider all the costs involved before actually jumping and saying we are now accepting crypto.
And of course, there's two parts of enabling payments, which is crypto hands off and crypto hands on. What are they? Starting from with crypto hands off.
Okay, so the crypto hands off, it's also enabling the payments in your business. So basically, what that means is that one avenue to facilitate payment is to simply convert the crypto. So you convert it in and out, or you're converting your current currency into you're converting your currency into crypto, or you're converting the crypto into your currency. So you're basically not actually keeping that crypto for long term onto your system. That's the hands off. And then the hands on, now this is when a company is ready to go beyond simply just enabling the crypto payment, but intend to broaden crypto adoption within the operations and its treasury functions. So, in other words, this means that now they will have their own system whereby they only, not only are they taking crypto, but they also maybe might be taking fiat, but they are more focused on being hands-on onto your crypto. They're keeping crypto for themselves for long term to pay their employees, to buy their own stock. So they are more involved in the crypto space. That's being hands-on.
It sounds interesting. So, of course, when a company get involved in the crypto space, one would be to, enable transactions,
Yes.
having its own clientele base, buying goods and services through crypto.
Mm.
And the other option of obvious is to really keep the crypto into their, wallets, into their
Yes.
data sheet as well. I mean, as a way of investing, you wouldn't just wanna transact through crypto without using or without really
Yes.
investing on the product, without really special crypto is a, on the other side, it's a huge way of it's a very good way of investing. I mean, keeping your
Yes.
assets in crypto is one of the best way to do at this present economic situation.
Yes.
Um, so the corporate treasurer might consider several preliminary issues looking about these. What would you say on that?
Okay, so currently the traditional treasury groups maintain the financial relationships of the companies. So the treasury determines which type of banking and the financial services now in the potential bordering and the bolder digital assets ecosystem. So it operates like that currently. So
All
the
right.
treasury is basically responsible, sorry.
Okay, all right. I was about to ask to say, all right. Actually, it's a follow up on my statement that I just mentioned. To say, companies always have two way of looking into this, as
Yes,
hands off or as a hands on. Hands off, whereby it's about changing your local currency, fiat currency, into the crypto
yes,
space. And of course, hands on is whereby now they are like starting to embrace this whole market, starting to embrace the cryptocurrency market as a whole, and intending to keep some of their profits or some of their cash flow in the form of crypto. Is that
yes,
correct?
yes.
Okay. All right. What can we conclude on this? We see so many businesses coming to the cryptocurrency market and starting using the crypto. Do you think is it sustainable though? Especially looking at the cryptocurrencies volatility, they're so volatile, and then you might buy something today at 10 rand worth of crypto. In the next few hours it goes up, it's worth 20 rands, or it can go down, it's worth 5 rands. Do you think such model can be sustainable?
I think it can be sustainable. I think that basically the reason why businesses are actually even looking at crypto now is because they're seeing this whole new world that is opening. They're looking at the opportunities. I think the part whereby you're asking about the value going up and down, it goes back to our fiat money now. Remember now, our fiat money, currently the rand against the dollar, today it can be 11 rands, tomorrow it can be 17 rands, and something might just go wrong, it might be 20 rands. Now, I think businesses are looking at crypto exactly like that, exactly like how they look at our fiat money, and they see an opportunity because of they cannot sit and just say no, we are not going into here because we are scared, but now this is what the market wants. This is what is happening around. They need to keep up.
Wow, great stuff, great stuff. Breaking news for the week. PayPal. Yeah,
Ye-
yeah. It's been happening. PayPal is coming on board heavily. It's
Yes.
coming hard down the crypto space. What is it? What is PayPal all about?
Okay, so PayPal Holdings is an American multinational financial technology company which operates on online payment system in a majority of countries that support online money transfers, and it serves as an electronic alternative to traditional paper methods that we know of currently. So PayPal has actually introduced its crypto facility in the US, and now they have now launched in the UK. So they've actually expanding their cryptocurrency. So I would actually say the US was like a trial period. So after seeing how good things are going, now they're expanding to the UK.
Great stuff. It means since you just mentioned that PayPal, I mean, did their first attempt in the crypto space last year in the US, and
Yes.
it seems like the trial has been successful. I mean, the test has been very much successful. That's why they're actually moving
Expand. Yes.
into the other territory in the UK now, which is another biggest market in the crypto space. So yeah, they're coming on board heavily.
Yes. Yes.
And of course, I see here crypto PayPal. Just to talk about PayPal, they've got 392 million as of 2021 users. PayPal
Yes.
has got 392 million active users. We're talking of active users,
Yes.
not dead accounts, dormant
Yes.
accounts. We're talking of active users, which is about 8 million use its one touch feature by the end of 2020. PayPal had 29 million active merchant accounts. PayPal conducted 15.4 billion transactions in the
Imagine.
year 2020 financial year. Wow, these are big numbers. PayPal is not really a small company. This is a big company. I mean, coming into the crypto space, it looks like, this
Mhm.
market is going very, very aggressive, especially looking at 2020, 2021. These are big institutions.
Yes.
Institutional investors, we can say, companies are coming on the space. They're seeing something. They're embracing this technology.
Yes,
What do
they
you say?
are. We're seeing a lot of interest, especially with big companies. We were speaking about Walmart very recently, and we were also talking about how many customers they have, and we saw how good things are going for them. So now we are seeing another big giant, which is PayPal, also getting so being so many so not I wouldn't say they are so interested in crypto, but they are so involved in crypto. Yes, being involved is more of a correct word because they've been involved with crypto from last year with their customers. So I would say that crypto is going very far because of this.
So, do you tell me, do you mean they're now looking into becoming a full fledged crypto wallet because they've been like a transactional sort of business? Now, looking at these innovations that they are bringing into the space, they're becoming a fully fledged crypto wallet, of course, in the future, but they're on their way there.
Yes, they're on their way there. And the reason why they say that they are interested in crypto is because they're saying they're trying to make things easier for people to participate in their market. So remember, with PayPal currently, as we are in South Africa, I know that it is very hard for me to actually get somebody who's got PayPal or to even load money onto my PayPal account. It's quite a very long, lengthy situation. And even when I'm trying to withdraw from my PayPal, it's quite lengthy. So if they now introducing crypto, it's going to be much easier and faster transaction for people like us in Africa, basically.
But let's go deeper. Just why is PayPal so much interested in crypto? What do they see? What opportunity are they aiming? What exactly is there for them? What are they building? What's the future? How do they see this future over and above the other, as opposed to other companies who are actually slowly coming in but taking a very precautionary steps. But PayPal is really embracing it without any, without any precaution and stuff.
Okay. So basically, as you said earlier, that PayPal currently has about 392 million active users. Now, with them introducing crypto, they're actually saying that they will now have more than that. So if they're just looking at about having just 10% more because of introducing crypto just in the UK, imagine how many transactions they will now have in future. So how much are they gaining from there? So they are not just happy about the numbers of current active users that they have now, but now they are looking also at how many people are involved in the crypto space that they can gain as customers in future. So they're actually seeing an opportunity whereby they can now become something like an international bank, if I can say that.
All right, Empire Fam, please do show us some love. Click the like button there, and subscribe on our YouTube channel. We are live on our YouTube channel every day at 7 p.m. And of course, do send us your comments, compliments on the comment section there. And as my request, tell us where you're watching this live broadcast from. If you are in outside South Africa, do mention your country where you're watching this live broadcast from. We one day will just hop at your city and holler at you. We're talking here blockchain solutions, cryptocurrency market, the trends, and the hot tips of the week. All right, Crypto Cindy. Yes, we're
Yes,
still
Crypto
talking
King.
about PayPal. With
Yes.
such numbers, such huge numbers coming into the space, what does it mean for the market? What do you think the market is gaining from this huge company coming on board?
Okay, so basically, this will actually give the market a gain in market cap. So it's more users, more greens. We'll be seeing more greens. So the prices will be going higher. We'll be happy, as we said when we began the show, that people are happy that we are all in the green. So more green, more green, more green as more companies come into the crypto space.
All right, I've got a question here from one of our viewers here. It's long. I'll just try and read it. It says, as you say and predict, crypto will replace Visa or MasterCard. How do you foresee the stability of on crypto with in mind? We do not invest in money, but we use money to invest in different opportunities, e.g. shares and crypto. So
Mhm.
having crypto as means for transactions, do you foresee crypto becoming boring or less volatile in terms of swings and profitable? Will you take that for now?
Can you take that, Crypto King?
All right, I'll say, look, crypto is
Okay.
still at early stages, and obvious there's still so much excitement. That's why it's so volatile, and so many projects come into the space, and so many people, so much inflow come into the crypto space. So the currencies will always be volatile. They will always be going up and down. because it's still something new, trying to get its balance. And, with so much volumes of capital flowing in, there will always be that movement, which makes it exciting at the moment. There will come a time, of course, in the near future where everything now stabilizes, everything now moves at a very, very slow pace in the near future, in the future, so to say. But for now, I don't see it, stopping its movement. I see it going, stronger and going faster and being so much volatile because so many people are coming on board in the crypto space. We're talking big numbers. Currently, there's still a small number who are involved in the crypto space as opposed to the looking into the population of the world. But it's gaining every day. And as
Mm.
those numbers come into the crypto space, obviously they're pouring some huge funds into the space. And of course, I'll say, in terms of transactions, there was a talk of can retail use cryptos when they're transacting and stuff, when buying and selling and stuff. That's why there was introduction of stable coins like USDT, stable coins. Those are coins that are not really volatile. In fact, they're pegged 1:1 against USDT. So those are the solutions at the moment to cap the volatile when transacting, especially when looking at in the retail space. But of course, it moves further than that. There are some cryptos that can actually be used in the transaction space, other than the traditional ones like the Bitcoin and the Ether. There are some coins that are faster in transacting. Look, the crypto also is solving the problem of fast transactions. We want something which is faster, something that can, you can send, like Visa and MasterCard. They're not really fast in terms of transacting. They've got that slow, um, um, slow puncher in. So we're looking into something that can actually move. That's where the world is going. Yeah. All right. Anything else to talk about when it comes to PayPal, the topic of the day? Do you have anything to say before we move on?
No, I think everything has been covered in terms of the intro for PayPal and having new users. Yes, we are okay.
All right, no, great stuff. Empire Fam, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Go to Empire Crypto TV so that you do not miss these live streams that happen every day, 7 p.m. Do not find yourself not seated on a couch watching this powerful information being shared with you. All right, let's look into what's the market doing. How's the market is behaving. All right, let's look at how the market is behaving. All right, let me just try and share the screen. All right.
Okay, there
All
is.
right, there we go. BTC trading at 48,216 as of today.
20.
And of course, it retraced back from $50,000. And we see also Ether retracing from $3,300. Do you think the market is going down now? Or it's just a temporary reset?
I see it as just a temporary reset. It's nothing to be so worried about from my side. So I think we'll still be seeing more greens before the end of the week.
Um, don't you think the market is gonna go back to 40,000 before it goes up? Or you think, or you believe, according to your analysis, that the market is gonna go to 55,000, then comes back to 40,000? Which way? Which one will come first? From here to $55,000, and then come down, or from here $40,000 then go up? What's your analysis on this?
From my side, I think that it's actually going to go up before it goes down. Now, the main reason for that is because of what we were just speaking about of PayPal. PayPal introducing its new crypto department and taking crypto as of this week. So I think there'll be more interest from the general public wanting to be into the crypto space. So I think it will go up at least to 54,000 before going down.
Okay, so it will go up to 54,000 US dollars before it goes down.
Yes,
That's your
before we
take.
see.
I'll hold you on to that. Must I
Yes,
go in now? Must I go in now until I go out at 54,000 US dollars?
yes,
Okay. All right, no, great stuff, great stuff. You see, look, the market is a bit shaky, but it's just some few numbers. What I know about our analysts or traders or investors, once a coin or once the BTC market goes 5% down, everyone start talking about 19,000 US dollars.
yes,
Once it just goes 3 to 5% down, everyone starts saying, "Oh yeah, we entering the beer market. It's going to
yes.
19,000 US dollars." But when it goes
Imagine.
up just by 3% going up, everyone start
Yes,
talking about 60,000, 100,000, 100,000.
yes,
Yeah, that's how. Look, everyone is always right. I believe no one is wrong.
yes, yes. Everyone is entitled to their own opinion.
Okay, all right.
Yes.
What are we talking about tomorrow?
Okay, so tomorrow we'll be having a guest, and tomorrow we will be discussing fiat currencies. Sorry, it's fiat currencies, and we'll also be talking about what influences the price of a Bitcoin.
All right, yes. Tomorrow we'll be talking about if because there are so many questions out there. People like fiat currencies are backed by oil, fiat currencies are backed
Yes.
by gold and
Gold.
other commodities and stuff. But not so many people have done this research before. And of course, there have been so many questions around with our viewers, Empire family, asking whether what moves the cryptocurrency market, what moves the
Yes.
Bitcoin market from $1,000 up to $50,000. What has been the process? What
Yes.
has been happening? What's behind the movement? So, yeah, tomorrow we'll be answering those questions. Tomorrow we'll be talking about that. Do not forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel. And of course, do remind others, come back tomorrow, same time, 7 p.m. What are your last
Yes.
words, Crypto Cindy?
Yes. I just want to thank our viewers, and don't forget tomorrow, same time, make sure that you invite your friends and family members, and don't forget to subscribe. This is the best channel whereby we give you fresh news about crypto. Make sure that by the end of each show, you have gained more knowledge than when it was 7 p.m. and you just decided to join us. So make sure that every single day, Monday to Friday, you're with us at 7 p.m. and we give you more information on crypto.
That's it for today. Same time tomorrow. Crypto is the future. We are out.